Before starting the installation, ensure that you have all the required materials. Here's the list of the box contents. Please note that all other materials need to be sourced by your local installer. Step 1. Begin by running the power and the CT clamp cables from the switchboard to the location of the EV charger. Step 2. Use the included template to mark and drill the 3 mounting holes for the Ocular IQ Home. Drill the mounting holes for the isolator next to the charger. Step 3. Use the included opening tool to remove the faceplate from the charger and then remove the top cover by loosening the 8 captive screws. Step 4. Unclip the cable that connects the top panel of the charger from the bottom. Store the top panel safely for later installation. Step 5. Mount both the isolator switch and the charger using the mounting hardware. Ensure that the rubber plugs that cover the screw holes are replaced after installation. This is critical for maintaining IP rating. Step 6. Wire up the isolator switch and the charger. Step 7. Inside the charger, wire the CT clamp cable to the charger terminal block. Step 8. Once all terminations are complete, it's time to replace the front cover of the charger. Reconnect the data cable that connects the top of the charger to the bottom and then refasten the 8 screws. The faceplate can then be clicked back into place. Step 9. At the main switchboard, install the RCBO and CT clamps. The CT clamps need to be installed on the main power supply coming to the property. Make sure the arrow on the clamp are pointing towards the main switchboard and away from the grid. This is the most common error of the installation process, so please be sure to double check. Step 10. Before energizing the charger, verify that all cabling is wired correctly and that the CT clamps are installed in the correct direction. You can now power on the charger. The LED lights on the front of the charger will illuminate blue. Step 11. Using an EV charger tester, run post-energization testing following AS/NZS 3000 section 8331. Step 12. Perform post-installation configuration by following the steps in the installation guide. After completing these steps, you should have successfully installed the IQ Home Solar.